How to fix credit card information declined on Steam. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when your payment method won't go through. First, open the Steam app on your computer. After that, click on your account name at the top right. From there, click on Account Details. At this point, click on Payment Methods under your Store and Purchase History section. In the next step, check that your card details, including the number, expiration date, and billing address, are entered correctly. Following this, if anything looks outdated or incorrect, click Edit next to your card to update it. Once done, make sure your billing address matches exactly what your bank has on file. From here, try removing the card completely, then re-adding it as a fresh payment method. At this stage, if the issue continues, contact your bank to check if they're blocking the transaction for security reasons, since some banks flag gaming purchases automatically. Keep in mind, using a different payment method like PayPal or a Steam gift card can help you complete the purchase while the card issue gets sorted out separately. Finally, try making the purchase again once your card details are confirmed or after checking with your bank. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix credit card information declined on Steam, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.